It's your boy, Dash and Q. Let me get that. You feel me? You know. Let's get this money. Hey, yo, Q. We hustle. Alright, here we go. Let's pop this rear one off. Get busy. You feel? We're gonna have problems. Look at that. Yeah, I think we're gonna have, oh my God. Look at how that thing is compressing. Like it's bent. Oh my God. Dude. This is gonna be brutal. There go that motherfucking silly rabbit. Ooh, ooh! Look at that joint. Still gotta disconnect this and that. Put the new one on there. Okay, let's clean out this. Alright, man. The other side is still giving me a problem. I can't get that damn nut, that bolt out the knuckle. So I'm just gonna pop this side in and we're gonna continue on with the other side. Alright, so unfortunately I got to this part and oh my God, look at this bolt. I tried to drill through it, nothing would work. I was stuck all day working on this vehicle, man. So much so that I couldn't even go and dash on a Sunday, man. I had to sit back, deal with this, watch videos, and make no money. Let's get to Monday. Lord help. All right, first order of the day. Starbucks, $9 for 3.9 miles, you feel? All right, man, we got second order Panera bread. First one went smooth. This Panera bread, we got $7.50 for 4 miles. Let's go ahead and grab this. $7.50. Looks ready too. All right, second order. It's a Starbucker, $9.50 for 6 miles. I wanted to decline this joint, but I can do it in a little bit of time. Hey, we got a Safari Point restaurant order. Is at $8 for. You ain't getting no money today. 4 miles. Truck. Alright, man, we got a Starbucker. It's cold as shit. This is a $4.50 for a mile and a half, I think. Alright, we got another Starbucks. This is a 502 for 2.7 miles. Yeah, feel. $12.50 for 6 miles. Slim chicken. I had to decline a few suckers. We had a few clowns that tried to come through. We splattered their brains and sent their ass back to the portal, the Matrix. Grizzlies, $4.50 for 1 mile order. Thank you, appreciate it. Excuse me. Yep. Yep. Hi. Yeah, DoorDash. Have a good one.
Thank you.
All right, man. We got an order at Red. And I got a Chipotle stacked order as well, so. All right, yo, we got a Chipotle order. It's $4.50, but it's a stacked order. This is stacked, so. Oh, yeah. Yep, there you go. Yeah, have a good one. Hey, Gimbal died, man, but look, we got a Chipotle, $6 plus for 0.9 miles. Let's get this, man. Get some more. Hopefully exactly. We got a $6.75 plus for 2.2 miles Chipotle order. Let me get that. Thank you. Yep. Scary. Hey, how you doing? All right, man, we got a $4 Freddy's steak burgers, and we got a Panda Express. Dun dun dun, fucking add-on. $5.50 for 1.5 miles. Let's go see what happens. All right, here go that Panda order. Let's pick this up and see what happens. Let's see if it get picked up. Just stacked me with another Panda order, $4 for 2 miles. Let's grab that. All right, this is the last order of the day. Drop off, man. I made one of them. Thank you. Boy, this shit is brutal, y'all. Oh my God. Oh my God, this shit is bad, bad. Look, this is how it's gonna be, boy. What you gonna do dashing through? Like, man, I got a lot going on. This car can't seem to get this boat out. It's driving me insane, and I might miss my top dasher now because of it. I might lose it because I don't have much time. Second order of the day is B-Dub's order, $5 for 2.7 miles, and they added on the Chick-fil-A $5 for 3 miles. I don't care, just give me the orders. I need to go ahead and get as many done in the small amount of time that I have. All right, second order is a Chick-fil-A. Well, the second order of this pickup is a Chick-fil-A pickup. But it's all right. Personnel, I gotta get it ordered. All right, this is that Chick-fil-A. They just stacked me with a personnel. Yeah, baby. Yep. Yep. There you go.
Thank you. You too.
All right, we got an Arby's add-on. You know, $6 for 3 miles. Let's grab this and drop them off. All right. Hey, Kylie.
Yeah.
There you go.
Thank you.
Have a good one. All right, so we got Chick-fil-A, $4 1 mile. My completion rate went up 2 points. I'm hoping I can get the next 3. So let's see what happens. All right, we got Viking Electric for this shit. Chick-fil-A. All right, Michael?
Yeah, he's here. You can just put it right there.
Okay. All right, thank you, buddy.
Thank you, man. Have a good day.
You too. All right, we got a non-tipper, but it don't even matter. I'm just trying to get to 95% on the completion rate for my top dasher. And so every order counts. We'll grab this and go. All right, we got another Chick-fil-A ahead to decline an order. They got me in the 70s, but this is a $4 for 0.8 miles. So grab it. Hey, you ugly boy. All right, and it's probably here. It's probably the last order. Let's see if it get my completion rate.
Head west.
That was the whole goal of the day. Get it up to 95 and get back to this car and try to fix it. Last order potentially. Let's see. I thought the last one was the last one, but they didn't give me the completion point, so we got another one. Starbucks, $5 for 2.7 miles. Let's hope this is the last one. See if this is the last one. All right, $4 for 1.2 miles. Freddy's. Hopefully this is the last one, man. Please.